Okay, so I've just got my first Blue Apron box. I'm gonna open it up with you guys and see what's inside. Alright, so we have the home cooking community. I'm already a home cook, but might as well try these out. We have lemon garlic butter chicken, honey lime tilapia, and some pan seared steaks. Yum. Alright, pull into this thing. Whoa. So fresh. We have all different baggies. Food. Dang. I guess the meat is at the bottom. Pull it all out and I'll show you what I got. So I got some potatoes, tomatoes, garlic, and then there's like these little meal bags. I guess all the weird little ingredients you need in them. And then in here is like all the produce that came with the bags. And then shows you how to recycle everything. And then here's the meat. It's all wet, so about to dry it out. I guess this was delivered late last night because I didn't even know we had it until this morning, so. Oh, yeah, sure, go in the garage, it's fine. Alright, so Ryan just got home from work. I was off today, and we are about to make our first Blue Apron meal. It is the Pan Seared Steaks with, what are you doing, with green onions? Or, you're distracting me. It does have green onions in it, but it also has green beans, which is what I was trying to read, but I can't focus. But we're started by chopping some green onions, and he just shredded our cheese, and here's our steaks in a bag. And just thought I would show you us making this. Everything is here, let me show you all. Pull up everything around here. Cut off my nonsense. But everything's like pre-portioned. Pretty cute. Oops. Little Worcestershire sauce, however you say that. God only knows why'd I even try. Sherry vinegar, sugar, biscuit mix, potato flakes. Oh yeah, we're making these things. They look really tasty. They are cheesy scallion potato cakes. So I'm actually pretty excited because if that's good, potato flakes would be a pretty easy thing to buy and keep in the pantry and make that as a quick little meal, because who doesn't have cheese and scallions on hand? I chopped off the ends to my scallions and I'm gonna grow them over here. Excuse the mess, I've been doing projects all day, but I actually just put them out there to sprout some. Can you tell? I don't even know. Ignore that, that's another whole project, but there they are. They're growing. All right, I guess I should help you. Guess I should help you, don't you think? Ooh, cutting those tomatoes for me, thanks. Okay. Okay, and now we're making some chicken sauce with sugar, vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce. So the sauce was for the cherry tomatoes. That looks really yummy. And now I'm gonna get these green beans chopped up and cleaned up. All right, the green beans are prepped, and Ryan just made this batter for our potato cakes. And then we went ahead and put the steaks on the eye. So this whole meal is cooked on one pan. You do this, then the green beans, then the potato cakes, and it all is supposed to just magically stay hot. I'm a little skeptical, but I'm gonna believe you guys, Blue Apron. Your chefs have got to know what they're talking about, right? But I'm excited. We've never made potato cakes before. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, so the finished product is this. It does look like, the recipe said to cook these little potato pancakes for 4 to 5 minutes aside. They are looking a little crispy, but hopefully they'll taste good. Let's eat. Good looking meal, good looking day.
Good looking man.
Another night, another Blue Apron meal. Got bok choy and green onion and garlic, rice, and then some lime juice. I'm not sure what we're doing with that yet. And then I just patted this meat dry, about to season it. And looks like we're actually almost done. Got here, I'm right here. So very easy meal. We just got started, so. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo, Piper! Woohoo! Yay! Okay, so we added the bok choy to the rice. And then we have the fish seasoned and cooking. And then we made this little sauce to go on top. That's about all she wrote. This is an easy meal. You hungry?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Hey Pumpkin! She said, I want dinner. Yum. And voila, we are all done. This turned out looking ridiculously delicious. Can't imagine that's gonna be bad. Bok choy rice and a honey lime tilapia with a scallion little sauce on top. Looks amazing. All right, bon appetit. Chef Ryan's cooking up meal number 3 of our box. We are doing a lemon and garlic butter chicken with roasted broccoli and mashed potatoes. Potatoes are boiling, the chicken's going, broccoli is in the oven. He'll hate me for doing that, so I did. And then here's all the cute little things that we have to add to our sauces and stuff. We got the cutest little container of butter. And I've never heard of labna before, but it's basically like a yogurt cheese. It's like thicker than Greek yogurt, but like a little bit different than sour cream. I don't know, I just looked it up, but cute, interesting. I guess this is going in our sauce. This sounds like it's gonna be pretty good. Where's the sauce go? Oh, the sauce goes on the chicken. Gotcha. This looks great. Oh, that's me. Clumsy. All right, yum. Almost time to eat. That's a good looking man in the kitchen right there. Okay, and here is tonight's dinner. That's what I fancy. Oh, is it good? Alright, review of Blue Apron is pending. Mashed potatoes, broccoli with this special seasoning, and then a lemon butter chicken, right, with a caper sauce. It was very yummy. Looks very yummy. I can't wait. The broccoli is delicious. Heck yes. So to conclude on Blue Apron, we've actually now done a second box, and we have a couple clips that we'll probably show at a later time. But overall, these are the first 3 meals. It was the steaks, the fish, and the chicken. Everything was really flavorful. It is more expensive than we've also now tried HelloFresh, and it is more expensive, but also very delicious. And
yeah,
I feel like these also, I don't know, took a smidge longer to make maybe.
Yeah, I think these definitely took a little bit longer to make. It's not like,
but they were good. Like, I loved this rice bok choy one. Like, it had this lime flavor that was phenomenal.
I think my favorite was this one.
The steak turned out delicious. Like, it was amazing.
Steak, yo.
But then the lemon, like, I guess I really like the fact that they use so much acidity. Like, this one uses a lot of, this one had like a whole lemon in it, and this one had a whole lime.
Out of 10 stars, what do you give Blue Apron? Let's rate it on.
Hard.
Let's rate it on
like
amount of time it took, how easy it is, and how delicious it turned out.
They were delicious. I would say 10 out of 10 delicious. Easy, I'd say 7 out of 10. They're pretty easy. Like, I mean, just maybe they make a mess sometimes, or use a couple bowls and stuff. And then for time, they were a little time, maybe like 6 out of 10 for time.
I give it a 9 out of 10 for taste. Time, about 6 out of 10. And this one was they were pretty easy. They're pretty simple. It comes with a couple, only like, I don't know, like 6, 7 ingredients maybe.
Or for complexity?
probably out of complexity.
Yeah, it was like.
Is that a good thing or a
easy?
bad
Yeah,
thing?
you said easy. Like it wasn't.
If it's easy, this one, I would say this one's probably an 8.
I did 7 just because I felt like it was a lot to clean up sometimes because of all like the random sauces and bowls. But other than that, it was just they're not hard to make. You're right. So, Blue Apron, try it out. Woohoo!